Hello everyone. Let's deal with this very quickly. Y to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 2 equals 20. We are looking for the value of y. So what do? We're going to express 20 in the form of this. We have y to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 2 equal to, from here we have 16 plus 4. But then you have to remember or know that it is not every time that you can express what you have on the right hand side, to be in the form of what you have on the left hand side. But this is going to work. So we're going to write y to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 2 equal to 16 is 2 to the power of 4, and this is already like y to the power of 4. Then plus here we have 2 to the power of 2, and it's already in the form in the form of y to the power of 2. So compare this and then compare this and this. So we have y to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 4, then plus y to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of 2. Okay, so we're going to deal with this separately. And as a matter of fact, because we are to solve this completely, we're not looking for just one solution. Okay, now I can break what I have here down into y squared multiplied by 2 minus here we have 2 squared multiplied by 2. Then I have plus y squared minus 2 squared. So what again can I do? From here, I can decide to, have what I have. Okay, see what I want to do. This is the same as y squared to the power of 2, because this bracket still indicates or implies multiplication. Then minus 2 squared to the power of 2. Then I will deal with this separately. Then plus open bracket, we have y squared minus 2 squared. This is simple. Now what do? Remember our difference of two squares. A squared minus b squared equals a plus b, a minus b. So I'm going to apply this same standard. And then from here, I'll be having y squared, okay, plus 2 squared, okay, into y squared minus 2 squared. Close this. Then here I will apply the same standard, but there's a plus there, right? So we will now have open bracket, we have y plus 2 into y minus 2, another difference of two squares, and the whole of this is equal to 0. Now what do? From here I can no longer apply difference of two squares, so I can have y squared plus 4. This is one of the factors. Then here I can still apply difference of two squares here. I can apply difference of two squares here, so that if I do that, I will be having y plus 2 into y minus 2, then plus open bracket y plus 2, right, then into y minus 2. The whole of this is equal to 0. And I'm looking at this critically, I discovered that what is here is also here. So we can get our common factor as y plus 2 into y minus 2. Okay, so this becomes my common factor. Then if I factor out this and this, It means that here we have y squared plus 4, okay? Then plus the whole of this divided by the whole of this will give 1. So we log this and equate to 0. So from here now, discover that what you have here is already a perfect square. So why don't we go away from perfect square and get our y squared minus 2 squared. I want to believe that these are the same thing. This and this are the same thing. Okay? Then from here we have y squared plus 4 plus 1 is giving us 5. And this is equal to 0. So from here we apply our 0 product rule. So it is either y squared minus 2 squared is equal to 0, or y squared plus 5 is equal to 0. Remember, we are solving this completely. Okay, so y squared minus 4 is equal to 0, or y squared is equal to minus 5. From here, let me take this to the other side. So we have y squared equal to 4, or on this side, y squared is still equal to minus 5. Now, what do I do from here? From here, we are going to take the square root of both sides. And when you do that, you have positive or negative square root of what you have on the right hand side. Now, the next thing, okay, on the other side, square root of y squared will be equal to positive or negative square root of minus 5. Now, what do we do from here? Okay, this and this can cancel. So y is alone and is equal to plus or minus square root of 4, and that is 2. Or on this side, this will go with this. And y is equal to plus or minus square root of negative 5 will give us 5. Okay, let's get square root of 5 multiplied by I. So this negative will give us imaginary, which is I. So we are saying that y is equal to 2 or minus 2. And then from here, we are equally saying that y is equal to I root 5. Okay, so what I've done is to write the I first before the root, or we're picking the negative now, so it becomes negative I square root of 5. So from here we have the 4 solutions to the equation. We have the 4 solutions. The first one is 2. The second solution is minus 2. This is the third solution, and this is the fourth solution. But only the first, only y equals 2 or equals minus 2, that will be the real solution to the equation.